In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost figure for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Dogecoin value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Doge succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0301 plus 3.16% $0.0898, 2023-0302 plus 4.58% $0.0911, 2023-0303 0.16% $0.0870, 2023-0304 plus 2.77% $0.0895, 2023-0305 plus 0.10% $0.0872, 2023-0306 plus 1.98% $0.0888, 2023-0307 plus 6.54% $0.0928, 2023-0308 1.04% $0.0862, 2023-0309 plus 4.99% $0.0914, 2023-0310 plus 4.13% $0.0907, Dogecoin value expectation 2023-2023 blemish 6.06% $0.0818, 2023 April 4.94% $0.0828, 2023 May 2.91% $0.0846, 2023 June plus 5.07% $0.0915, 2023 July plus 7.82% $0.0939, 2023 August plus 6.19% $0.0925, 2023 September plus 4.48% $0.0910, 2023 October plus 13.78% $0.0991, 2023 November plus 18.79% $0.1035, 2023 December plus 24.08% $0.1081, 2024 January plus 24.07% $0.1081, 2024 February plus 23.60% $0.1076, Doge Value Expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to $0.1280 in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around $0.8. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030-2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0.9 in 2040. Will Dogecoin outperform overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave system. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed. It faces a furious rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, not including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the task is dubious. Could Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a mogul as we at any point too don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from here on out. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0760. In the long haul 8 to 10 years, it will doubtlessly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no interesting offer, it has a powerless group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of undertakings will fizzle. A few new businesses are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition. Yet most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, however truly, are pointless for the market. Thus, more than 95% of effective ICOs and digital currency tasks will fizzle, and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of tasks will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? Assuming we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and passionate local area. It is outlandish to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance in the event that is the main pivot for the task. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017, with not a single specific premium and true use cases to be found, aside of irregular utility and cause tipping. However, Dogecoin people group is dependably a decent spot for a decent chuckle. It is an image realm of cryptography.